Today we will see how you can easily mint your NFT as Solana network. At first, move to a web browser and search for Solsea NFT. We will go with first site, that is solsea.io. Now here we have to click over the connect wallet, then select your wallet. As I am using the Phantom wallet, by pressing Phantom, as I didn't set up that wallet into my web browser, so first I have to install that extension in my web browser with the help of Chrome Web Store by pressing add and give permissions. Now I have to set up my wallet. If you are a new user, you have to create a wallet, but in my term I am an old user, that's why I want to import my existing wallet. By pressing import, by entering all my key phrase, I successfully import my wallet into my Phantom wallet. Also keep in mind, your wallet must have some Solana tokens because you have to pay some gas fee to mint your NFT. As we log into our Solsea, successfully connected our wallet, then we have to set up our account. If you are existing user of Solsea, then you have to sign in with the help of your email ID or password. But if in case you are a new user, then click over the create account and successfully create an account by entering your email ID and password. As we successfully sign in, then we have to move to my profile and enter your biodata like your profile image, your name, biography, and just save it. Now before uploading your NFT, you have to create an NFT collection in the which you have to upload particular types of NFT. So we will go to create and select collection, and here we have to enter that form like the title of your collection, a short description, a long description, then upload the icon of your collection, then a background image, a suitable tag that suitably your collection. Then you have to specify the supply of your collection, how much NFT of a particular collection you want to upload, then minting date, on which date you want to mint your NFT. After that you have to declare the price, initial price of your one NFT. Okay, after successfully entering all these things, they pop up in our Phantom wallet. We will sign in, then okay, successfully our collection is created. Now we have to add NFTs in that particular collection. For that we will go with create, then NFT. Here we have to upload your digital art. Again you have to upload it, then you have to select a title, a short description, a long description. Here keep remember this, you can also add royalties. But what is the royalty? For instance, if you are the owner of a particular NFT and you sell to someone, no doubt you will receive that particular amount on which you sold that item. But if in case the seller again sold that particular NFT that was created by you, minted by you, to someone next, then you will also get some amount from that amount. That is our royalty. So here you can enter the amount, how much charge you want to get on the second up to second sales. Okay. Apart from this, you can also add your social media links. Then you have to enter your tags. Here you can also attach a license, then you select your collection name. Last but not least, you can also add some attributes. After entering all the details, we will click on mint. So here it will take some time. We will receive a pop-up in our Phantom wallet as we successfully sign in. A small amount as a transaction fee deduct from our wallet, and successfully it is minted. As we go back to our main wallet, here in my collection, as we click over the reload, yeah, you can see my NFT successfully minted. Now I want to list it over the market just by selecting over it. Now I have to enter the amount. Yeah. Oh, there is also a pop-up in my Phantom wallet. I have to sign in. It will also charge me some gas fees. As you can see, my NFT successfully listed over the market. Now the main thing, my NFT collection is verified. If you want to check out, the link in the description, you can easily check out. And yeah, bye bye.